This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Frigidaire Gallery dryer, and here's the model number. And the dial just got a little bit stripped, this one, so we're going to replace it. So we're just going to grab it and pull towards you to get the old one off, and then we'll grab the new one. Here's the model, or here's the part number. And the new one has this little metal insert and then also this key shape, and that matches to the shaft on the timer. Sometimes this plastic will break. One thing you can do is replace the knob, or you can put a zip tie around here to hold the plastic tight against this shaft. So that's one way to fix it, is put a zip tie around here and then you clip off the extra that holds it tight, or just getting this new knob. So we're going to put on the new knob, get this little shape to fit with this one, and then just push it all the way in, and then be able to move the timer again. So pretty easy. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.